I get misty just holding your hand. Walk my way.
Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to start off with my soft ochre paint pot by MAC Cosmetics. Now I'm going to move on to the palette by ABH. This is their soft glam palette, and I'm going to start off with the first shade called Tempera, and I'm going to use that as my highlight brow bone, my brow bone highlight. And I'm going to use Orange Soda as my transition shade, and this shade is like one of my favorites to use as a transition shade. Like, it's really like a nice warm shade, like not too deep, but it's just light enough for every day. I'm going to now take the shade Burnt Orange and use that all over the crease as well, and focusing more on the outer corner with a fluffy brush from Morphe. And I want to deepen up the crease area just a little bit, but not too deep. So now moving on to the lid, I'm taking the shade Bronze, and I'm going to wet that with the Evian facial spray. And I really love using this to really intensify and make the pigment very bright and very shimmery. So I'm going to tap that all over the lid, and I'm going to then blend out the edges. And now I'm going to move on with the Maybelline eyeliner with this angle brush from ColourPop. And I'm going to create my wing as usual. And you can do a little wing if you want, or you want to do a dramatic wing, you can definitely do that. So I'm going to just do my normal wing. So now moving on to mascara, I'm taking the City Color Cosmetics mascara, and then for lashes I'm taking the Social Eyes Lashes in Siren. Now I'm going to move on to the face. This is the Maybelline Master Primer, and this is their Smooth and Blur Primer, and I'm going to apply that all over the face. I'm going to color correct my under eyes, and now I'm going to move on to the face. I'm using a combination of the LA Girl Pro HD foundation with the Jouer foundation, and honestly I was so surprised on the combination, how great it is. And I'm pretty upset because I got the foundation all over my freaking shirt, like on the wrist part. So I tried to remove the stain, but it would not come off for the life. I tried everything. So I'm going to move on to my cream bronzer. I'm using the Chanel Soleil Tan de Chanel. It's like one of my favorites. It's so soft and so blendable. I love it. And moving on to concealer, I'm going to use the concealer by Makeup Revolution, and I'm going to brighten up the under eyes and apply that all over my face. I do have a full face foundation, but I'm going to update it with my summer foundation routine, so stay on the lookout for that one. So I'm going to set my under eyes with my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish, and I'm going to use the Kat Von D Shade and Light contour kit. I use the middle shade because it's like light for me, but this is a very potent pigmented palette, so I do have to use a light hand for this. So I'm going to set that bronzer and then dust off any translucent and any powder under my eyes, because I don't want that powdery look. So now I'm going to use the NYX blush. I don't know why I said it like that, blush. NYX powder blush in Dusty Rose, and I'm going to apply that on the cheekbones. And then for my under eyes, I'm going to use the Burnt Orange and Orange Soda under the eyes. I don't think I'm going to use any liner in the waterline because it's like a soft glam look. So it's very nice and pin up, but soft glam for like the nighttime or evening. So now moving on to highlight, I'm going to use the Dose of Colors Supreme Glow in Icy You Baby. It's very, very pretty shade. And I'm going to take that in certain points of my face. I'm not going to do like a very, very glowy look, but this is like very soft glam. So I'm going to apply the mascara in the bottom lashes and apply a little bit of the shadow. I forgot what shadow I used in the palette, but I used that for my inner tear duct. So now I'm going to use the Kylie Cosmetics lip liner in Mary Jo K. I didn't like the liquid lipstick formula. It was way too drying. Like my lips was literally about to fall off. So I wanted to use the pencil, and it's very creamy and nice. I love the formula. Reminds me of the ColourPop formula. And then the last step is the Melt Cosmetics Dead Cherry liquid lipstick, and this is like a very beautiful deep red shade.
Meanwhile, across town in this less than fashionable cubbyhole of the San Francisco Examiner, these editors are programmed.
That is it for this makeup look. Let me know in the comments down below how you like this look, if you are going to wear it out. Also like my video and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next one.
I get misty just holding your hand.